Welcome to Stephanie's Southern Kitchen. I'm Stephanie. We had some family come in from Illinois a couple weeks ago, and we took them a dirt pudding. That way they could be eating on it while they were here, and they wanted the recipe. Well, I told them I can go ahead and make them a video. That way they'll have it. So this is a recipe going out to the northern family, and it is dirt pudding. First, you take 2 boxes of Jell-O. I use the French vanilla. You can use chocolate, you can use vanilla, whichever one you like. Put 2 small packages in. Four cups of milk. Then turn it on and let it mix. Let it mix for about 2 minutes. Let it go just a minute is what I do if you're using one of these, and stir it up to make sure you get everything from the bottom. If you're stirring by hand, you won't have to worry about that, but doing it this way, let it stir for about 2 minutes. When it starts getting thick, then you'll know that it's time to take it off, and then we'll put it in the refrigerator while we make the rest of it. So this is 2 boxes, 2 small boxes of vanilla pudding and 4 cups of milk. It's starting to thicken up a little. Okay, we'll turn that off. Take this bowl, put it in the refrigerator, and let it be cooling. Then we'll bring our other mixture together. 1 cup powdered sugar, 1 stick of butter, and 8 ounces of cream cheese. I already have it in here, so we'll take this mixture and mix it up. Being very careful when you turn it on to make sure that the powdered sugar doesn't go all over you. Just mix it, start it slow. Make sure your butter and your cream cheese is room temperature. About an hour before I start making this, I leave my butter and cream cheese out so it can come to room temperature and not be so stiff. From the looks of it, I could have left it out just a little longer. But just keep working with it, it'll blend. Make sure you get all of it from the sides. And the bottom. There it goes. Sometimes it takes it a minute, but it'll work. Okay, now that we've got that all blended up, take our spoon, put it all back down in the bowl. One last mix to make sure it's mixed good. And we will set that aside now until, now we're going to crush our Oreos. And it's one small package of Oreos. I've already got them in here. You can do it different ways. You can take a hammer. I used to use a mallet, but it finally broke on me. So now I'm using a roller pin. You can use a food processor, but it makes them pretty fine. And I like, whenever we bite into it, to have little bites rather than just like crumbs. You get a bite of Oreo with your pudding, so that's kind of the way we all like it in this family. But whichever way you prefer. I like to put it in a Ziploc bag, that way you can zip it up and you don't have a mess. I think it's about there. And if there's any you missed, you can always do it as you mix your ingredients. One more time and we'll call it done. Okay. Now we have that done. We'll put this back up. Okay, now we'll get our pudding out of the refrigerator. Put it back on the stand. Rinse our mixer off just a bit. There we go. Then we'll get our mixture with the cream cheese. Let it mix. This is cream cheese, butter, and powdered sugar. And you can use a hand mixer if you have it. Okay, let all that mix. Okay, make sure you get everything down in there mixed. Okay, mix it just a little more. Then we're going to get a big bowl. Okay, I think that's mixed pretty good. Then we're going to take the two mixtures that we've mixed together. I see some of it didn't mix real good, but that's okay. Mix it right now and you'll never know it. Using these big mixing bowls and KitchenAids and stuff, you have to watch very carefully or the bottom is like that. It doesn't get it, even no matter how hard you work. But like I said, it doesn't really matter. Just mix it up in there and nobody will ever know. Okay, then this is the important part. Take your Cool Whip after you've mixed all that together and you fold your Cool Whip in. Don't mix it real hard because you're going to lose the fluff part of your dirt pudding. It won't be as fluffy. So just kind of fold it in where it's all mixed up real good. There, it's starting to combine real good. And if there's any little spots that doesn't mix, doesn't really make a whole lot of a difference. Okay, first we're going to do some dessert cups to show you the different ways that you can do this. Okay, let me get a smaller spoon. Put just a little bit of pudding in the bottom. Okay. Take your Oreos. Make a nice layer around it where you can see it all the way around. And like I said, right there was kind of a big chunk, so I just broke it up right then. No problem. Okay, more pudding. Go. More Oreos. Make sure they're all around the sides. More pudding. Around the sides. Okay, then take just a little bit of your crumbs, go along the top, just for decoration. Okay, we're going to set those in the refrigerator, let those be cooling. Okay, now we'll get this bowl to show you how you can make it a different version, the same thing, just a different version. Usually every family gathering I make this. It's always a hit, there's never any left. I have twin grandsons, and whenever I make this, I always have to make 2 small ones for them to take home, because you know 2 twin grandsons are not going to share. So I have to make them their own. Then take your Oreos, making sure to go around the sides. If you don't use a clear container, it doesn't matter that much, but it just makes it prettier if they can see the layers of the Oreos. more pudding. And this bowl won't be full because I used part of it in the dessert cups, but I was just doing just enough to show you what it's going to be like. More Oreos. Make sure they're around the sides so people can see them. Then take the rest of your pudding. Do the next layer. Spread it out. If I had a smaller bowl, it would have been better, but I don't have a smaller glass bowl, and I wanted you to see what it looks like layered. Yeah. Then put you just a little on the top for decoration. And that is dirt pudding. You can take, at Halloween, they put tombstones on it. Easter, in the spring, they put flowers, they put gummy worms, they put all different things to decorate it. I usually just leave it like it is because, like I said, it isn't going to last that long anyway. So then when you get it done, you put it in the refrigerator, let it cool. I let it cool all night. And that way the next morning the Oreos are soft and everything's had time to combine. So that's how you make dirt pudding. If you like this channel, please like and subscribe, and we will see you later. Thanks. Bye.